And we are back, and as I promised, Attorney Jed Dietrich is with us, and we thought we would talk a little bit about, Jed, the stuff you're most busy with is people calling you after a car accident. And, you know, I still think it's unclear to some people why they might need an attorney after a car accident.
Good to see you again,
nice
Linda.
To see you, sir.
Great day to be a Buffalonian, right?
Is,
Look at
always,
the sun shining
right?
after the rainstorm yesterday. We've got a couple of nice days coming up.
We do.
Yeah?
We definitely do.
But again, what you need to do is be protected after an injury accident. And I'm here to help people at 839-3939. Your insurance company, your own insurance company, if you're rear-ended, pays your medical bills, which really doesn't make sense. Why should your insurance company pay for your injuries when the person behind you caused the problem?
Right.
Well, that's the New York no-fault law in our state. It was set up to minimize lawsuits, so there weren't little cases in court to argue about a couple $100 here and there. The problem is it creates a situation where the insurance companies are really in control. Your insurance company is in control of how much treatment you get. And your own treating doctor may say you need an MRI, but your insurance company may say, well, we don't think you need an MRI. And then there's a fight between you and your own insurance company. So we're there to help you with that fight. We work with your doctor, and then we fight your insurance company to get your medical bills paid, to get you the treatment you need, so that you can get recovered and on your way back to work or whatever you do.
And you know, there's kind of a double-edged sword, because your insurance, after you have this accident, may come to you and say, okay, right away, here's a check, because we want to help you take care of yourself.
Yeah.
And you think, well, that's good. They didn't fight me on that. But then you realize, you know what? I'm a lot more hurt than I thought, which happens in time that you figure out.
Absolutely.
And you're done.
Yeah. Now, the first thing you need to do after an accident, car accident, is call the police and get a police report. Because if there isn't a police report, that's a red flag, and it makes it a very difficult case to bring if you're injured, if there isn't a police report filed. That's the first thing. Second thing you need to do is go to the hospital and get checked out. Even if you don't think you're that seriously injured, go get an x-ray, make sure nothing's broken, and then see how you do over the next couple of days. We like to get involved right after that at 839-3939. We will assist you with filling out the no-fault application. Your own insurance company requires you to fill out this application. It has to be made in a timely manner, which means quickly, shortly after an accident, which means there's a call to action. You need to contact us right away, and then we can assist you with the interactions with your own insurance company and the interactions with the other insurance company. Because obviously, if someone rear-ends you, that's the simple situation. You're at a red light, you're stopped, at a red light, person behind you rear-ends you. It happens all the time. Probably 80% of my cases are those rear-end cases. Who's going to pay your medical bills? Your company is, but then who pays for the damage to your car? The other person's insurance pays for that. So we assist in all these areas.
If you decide that, yes, I need Jed's help on this, and you start working with Jed, and then all of a sudden your insurance company calls you, should you just refer them to you?
Yeah, that's what we like to say. And again, there are three things about my office that are different than the other firms in Buffalo. Number one, we treat our clients the way we want to be treated. I live by the golden rule. My parents taught me that growing up, and that's what I live by. That's number one. Number two, we think before we interact with our clients, and we listen to them so we understand where they're coming from. And number three, we work hard on their behalf to try to get the best result possible. I give every single one of my clients my cell phone number, and a lot of lawyers I talk to, again, I've been out of law school for about 20 years, and they say, how can you give everybody your cell phone number? I say, because we contact our clients proactively at least once a month. We have very close relationships with our clients. So our office is at Maple, North Forest, and Amherst, and we encourage clients to come over even without an appointment. Come on in, we'll help you out. Obviously, if I'm busy with something else, my assistant will help, or if I can get free, then I'll sit down with you. So we're there to give you personalized service after a personal injury, which is very different than a lot of the other organizations in Buffalo that do the same type of work.
Yeah, and you know, you don't want to cheat yourself. If something like this happens, don't short shrift yourself and say, well, I think I'm going to be okay, or by all means, get an expert's opinion on this. And this is exactly what Jed does and his entire law firm, the Dietrich Law Firm. They're located right there on North Forest Road in Buffalo. Simply call Jed.com, or as Jed says, pick up the phone and give him a call at 839-3939.